Welcome to qnawire.
Hello students, let's do this question. Here the random variable x follows normal distribution with mean mu equal to 35 and standard deviation sigma equal to 5.6. Here the sample of n equal to 9 observations are given. Now we have to find out distribution of sample mean. So sample mean x bar follows normal distribution with mean mu hat equal to mu and standard deviation sigma hat equal to sigma divided by square root of n. Now we know that the formula for standard norm over 8 z equal to x minus mu divided by sigma, or in case of sample mean it becomes equal to z equal to x bar minus mu divided by sigma upon square root of n. So we use this to find out the probabilities. So first, the distribution of sample mean, that is x bar follows normal distribution with mean mu hat equal to 35 and standard deviation sigma hat equal to 5.6 divided by square root of 9 equal to 1.886. Next, it is greater than 37, that is probability of sample mean x bar greater than 37 equal to 1 minus probability that x bar less than or equal to 37 equal to 1 minus probability that z less than or equal to 37 minus 35 divided by 5.6 upon square root of 9 equal to 1 minus probability that z less than or equal to 1.071 equal to 1 minus, we find this probability by using z table, which is 0.8577 equal to 0.1423. Now next, sample mean greater than 33, that is probability of x bar greater than 33 equal to 1 minus probability that x bar less than or equal to 33 equal to 1 minus probability that z less than or equal to 33 minus 35 divided by 5.6 upon square root of 9 equal to 1 minus probability that z less than or equal to minus 1.07 equal to 1 minus 0.1586 equal to 0.8414. Now next, probability that 33 less than x bar less than 37 equal to probability that 33 minus 35 divided by 5.6 upon square root of n less than or equal to z less than or equal to 37 minus 35 divided by 5.6 upon square root of n, that is 9, equal to probability that z less than or equal to 1.07 minus probability that z less than or equal to minus 1.07 equal to 0.8577 minus 0.1586 equal to 0.6991. Therefore, we get first, the sample mean x bar follows normal distribution with mean mu hat equal to 35 standard deviation sigma hat equal to 1.886. Next, probability that x bar greater than 37 equal to 0.1423, probability that x bar greater than 33 equal to 0.8414, and probability that 33 less than x bar less than 37 equal to 0.6991. I hope you find that helpful. Thank you.